was just in a trade here. This is an area where price is at on the NQs referred to as yesterday's close. Okay, so it's a focal point on the markets. Price has pulled back to this area. The ES is just below yesterday's close on its respective chart. So I'm looking for about 8 ticks out of this trade. Look, I can only take obviously what the market's going to give me. This is what we refer to as the trade manager, or the dome, the depth of market. And the green shadowing here indicates that the trade is in profitability. And the position line where we entered was right here where the green line is, and this is a stop order up here, a profit target, and there is a sell stop a little bit below as well. It's just out of screen at the moment. So we're looking at the ES stabilizing and the NQs, they've stabilized. So hopefully the demand comes into the market and lifts this trade into profitability. Price is dealing with a little bit of resistance just at this moment. So if the ES can break above, it's at 11.0175. If it can break above 11.02 up towards 11.0225, we should start to see the NQs lift and produce a nice tidy profit. Okay, so it's showing here that the NQs are 4 ticks in profitability, and hopefully continues to press up. Five ticks in profitability. The ES is right at a point here where it's either going to break out or come back in, and we're looking for it to break out, just giving a bit of time, a bit of wiggle room. Market's looking okay. Trading at the moment at 12:31 p.m. New York time. So the institutions are not likely to be active in the market. Trading is a little bit light at this particular time. And the reading on our internal gauges here that we use to navigate the markets are relatively neutral as well. Every time that price moves and adds an extra ES looks good at the moment. Looks like some strength is about to come into the market. NQs are just holding here, neutral. Okay, starting to lift. So I'm looking for 8 ticks, so I'll move this down to 1675 here. Okay, so I brought my profit target down to 1675, and we'll just see if it can press up here and be filled, or if I have to take profit a little bit earlier. Very light activity in the market. ES is right on the verge of going. The market's still struggling here to find demand. Starting to chop around now. You can see by the trade manager here, depth of market, that price is just chopping. It's not really going anywhere. It's not going down, it's not going up, it's just chopping around sideways. Again, these environments can be taxing on your psychology, so I suggest to traders, especially if you're new, if there is a new environment, and I'm starting to get moving now. If there is a bit of a sideways market environment, then oh, there we go. We're about to get out of that. Beautiful. Okay, trade's done. But what I was saying previously is that if there is a bit of a neutral market environment, it's usually best to be left alone, because obviously the longer that we're in a trade, the more that we watch it, the more taxing it can become on our psychology. And obviously when we are trading, we're always wanting to act in the market in the best way that nurtures our psychology.